Good day, everyone. I am Sumita Banas, assigned to discuss Assignment 6, number 5. Evaluate the limit second quantity of x plus pi over 3 approaches to pi over 2. Rewrite the problem. Limit of second quantity of x plus pi over 3 equals to f of x pi over 2. Substitute the x to pi over 2. So f of x pi over 2 equals to second quantity of pi over 2 plus pi over 3. Now compute the common denominator. F of pi over 2 equals to second quantity of 3 pi over 6 plus 2 pi over 6 equal to second quantity of 5 pi over 6. The second function defined as second x equals to 1 over cosine x. So f of pi over 2 equals to 1 over cosine 5 pi over 6 equals to 1 over negative 5 over 3 over 2. In the second quadrant, cosine is negative, so the denominator of cosine is negative square root of 3 over 2. Now, the negative 2 over square root of 3 times square root of 3 over 2 square root of 3 is the answer is negative 2 square